Good morning, Kasturians. In this third video of chapter The Rebels and the Raj, we will see how the revolt it actually broke and what were the ways of communication used by the sepoys during the revolt and some famous leaders and followers of revolt. So let's start. The revolt actually the revolt actually started with the Mangal Pandey, a soldier who was stationed in the 5th Company of 34th Native Infantry Regiment, and he was stationed at Barakpur when he shot dead his British commander on 29th of March 1857. Then the revolt was started. But actually the mass revolt it took place on 10th of May 1857 when 85 sepoys who were stationed in 3rd Bengal Light Cavalry and they were stationed in the Meerut Kent. They refused to use the Enfield cartridge, which was believed to be having a wrapper composed of grease made with fat of cow and pig. Where the cow was sacred for the Hindus, the pig was considered to be a polluting animal for the Muslims. This way, the sepoys they thought that now the Britishers they are trying to destroy their religion. That's why they refused, and later on these 85 sepoys they were dismissed and jailed, and on 10th of May these sepoys they revolted, and this is how the revolt started. The sepoys they captured the bell of arms, which was actually the storehouse where the arms and ammunitions were kept, and they started plundering the treasury. After that they attacked and ransacked all the government offices like the jail, the treasury, the telegraph office, the record room, the bungalows, and whatever proclamations were there in Hindi, Urdu or Persian, they were put up, which called for support provided to be provided by the Indians to the rebellion sepoys. And why they wanted this support? To expel the Britishers out of India or to exterminate the foreign rule. When ordinary people they joined the sepoys, mutiny changed into revolt and the targets of attack were widened. And in the very beginning it was all who were related to the Britishers. The whites were attacked, but later on the talukdars and the private money lenders who used to be usurers who charged heavy interest from the peasants, they became the target of attack by the peasants when the common peasants or the common people they joined the revolt. So during the revolt in towns like Lucknow, Kanpur and Bareilly, the rich people and money lenders they were attacked and their property were looted, as they were seen by the common people as the associates or allies of British, and they also were involved in oppressing the peasants in the recent past. Now the revolt has started, but how it was spread, or you can say how what were the means of communication used by the sepoys? The evidences found suggest that the sepoys of different regiments before and during the revolt have communicated by means of movement from one station to another. The sepoys have said that panchayats were there, and these were composed of native officers which were drawn from every regiment, and some of the decisions were taken collectively by these panchayats and the sepoys. They shared a common lifestyle and many of them they came from the same caste. So these sepoys, whether they were stationed in different cavalries or in different regiments, but they sat together and made their own rebellion. Now Let's have a look at some famous leaders and followers of revolt. The leadership and organization was necessary to fight the British who were organized, and for leadership the rebels they turned to those rulers to whom Britishers have overthrown, and most of these displaced rulers they joined the revolt due to pressure of locals or due to their own zeal or ambition. In some places, the religious leaders they also took the leadership and inspired people to fight, like Fakir in Meerut and religious leaders in Lucknow who preached destruction of British rule. Local leaders like Shah Mai in Badot, Uttar Pradesh, and Gonu, who was a tribal leader of Kol tribals in Singhbhum, they mobilized the communities for revolt. That's all we have in this video. Thank you and have a nice day.